Have you ever wondered if porridge can help you lose weight? Welcome, friends, to a warm, comforting journey through the wholesome world of porridge. We're about to explore the nutritional goodness tucked within bowls of oat, rice, and millet porridge. We'll delve into how these humble grains can become powerful allies in your weight loss journey, offering more than just their delicious taste. So, pull up a chair and grab a spoon. Let's dive into the world of porridge and find out how it can help us in our weight loss journey. At the top of the list is our all-time favorite, oat porridge. Now, what makes oat porridge a superstar in the weight loss journey? It's all about its high fiber content. See, oat porridge is a powerhouse of dietary fiber. This fiber is a champion when it comes to aiding digestion, helping your body smoothly process the food you eat. But it doesn't stop there. The fiber in oat porridge has another trick up its sleeve. It keeps you feeling full for a longer time, which naturally controls overeating. Ever felt that mid-morning hunger pang despite a hearty breakfast? Oat porridge is the solution. And let's not forget the low-calorie content of oats. If you're aiming for a low-calorie diet, oat porridge slides right in without a fuss. It's a delicious, nutrient-rich meal that doesn't pile on the calories. So oat porridge not only fills your stomach but also keeps those pesky calories at bay. Next up, we have the Asian secret to a slim figure, rice porridge. This humble dish, often overlooked, is a powerhouse of nutrition with its low-fat and high complex carbohydrate content. What does this mean for you? Well, complex carbohydrates are your body's preferred source of energy. They are metabolized slowly, providing a steady stream of fuel to keep you going throughout the day, without causing a sudden spike in your blood sugar levels. Now let's talk about the water content in rice porridge. It's all about volume here. A bowl of rice porridge can be quite filling because it contains a lot of water. This means you can eat a significant portion without consuming a lot of calories. It's a clever way to stay satiated without overeating. So, rice porridge can be your energy powerhouse without adding to your waistline. Remember, it's not just about losing weight, but about nourishing your body with the right foods. Last but not least, let's explore the weight loss benefits of the ancient grain, millet porridge. This humble grain has been a staple in diets around the world for thousands of years, and it's no surprise why. Millet is gluten-free, making it a great alternative for those who are sensitive to this protein. But that's not all. It's also rich in essential nutrients that your body craves. We're talking about magnesium and phosphorus, two minerals that play a vital role in boosting your metabolism. And let's not forget about fiber. Fiber is a super nutrient when it comes to weight loss. It keeps you feeling full for longer, preventing overeating and unwanted weight gain. And the best part? It's all packed into a warm, comforting bowl of millet porridge. So next time you're looking for a hearty, healthy breakfast option, give millet porridge a try. Millet porridge, a delicious way to keep your weight in check. In a nutshell, porridge can indeed be a great ally in your weight loss journey. Let's take a moment to revisit what we've learned about the benefits of oat, rice, and millet porridge. Oat porridge, a breakfast staple for many, is rich in fiber, particularly beta-glucan, which slows digestion, increases feelings of fullness, and suppresses appetite. It's also packed with essential nutrients like magnesium, iron, and zinc, making it a healthy choice to kickstart your day. Next up, we have rice porridge. While it may seem plain, it's anything but in terms of nutritional value. High in complex carbohydrates and low in fat, it provides a steady release of energy throughout the day, curbing those pesky snack cravings. Finally, let's not forget millet porridge. This gluten-free grain is a rich source of fiber and protein, two key ingredients in effective weight management. It's also a powerhouse of antioxidants that support overall health. These types of porridge are not just food. They're a package of high nutritional value that can aid in weight loss due to their satiety factor. They keep you feeling fuller for longer, reducing the likelihood of overeating. Remember, the key to weight loss is a balanced diet combined with regular exercise. So why not add some porridge into your diet plan? Don't forget to subscribe for more health tips and check out our website for the full article. Stay healthy, folks.